Ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya ni batirimene Gucua Mwerekera zo MANTU jareba kuga ni JAKURINGITHIA anene MUKENYA zario gwitia kwa garama ya utoro batirimene Gucua ntaira cha murigo jwa ugoti na kinya kumenya uria Azimio igetithwa na mbere gwatwika Raila Odinga akona giti kia mukaririgiti wa African Union ni bachokete bajukia kanya kuthuja ukinyaniria bwa ripoti ya NADCO. Muthenya Jwanaru atongeria mwanya kiri ngwataniro ya Azimio ne batirimanite kwariria MANTU jaria JAKURINGITHIA MUKENYA haria baugite ugoti buria bukugitwa ne bukurituira akenya na kuga bategwitikiria kugitwa kwa mbeca cia nyomba cia thirikari itena maguri jeguru na kinya ja maguta.
The Kenya Kwanza regime is failing the test of being caring and compassionate. Paying taxes should never be a punishment but a patriotic duty. Under the KK regime, taxation is a punishment that is hurting the entire economy. We remain opposed to the 16% tax on petroleum products. We remain opposed to the housing tax and its colonial undertones that make it look like the infamous hut tax of the colonial era. We are deeply opposed to the high pay rates that Kenyan workers are being forced to endure. We remain opposed to the subjection of the retiree pensions to taxation.
Ne bareganite na kinya kugitwa ugoti kiri murimi bakiuga bobone kubainyiria.
We also remain opposed deeply to the idea of subjecting farm produce to taxation. It is our position that forcing farmers to part with 5 shillings for every 100 shillings they make from their farm produce is unreasonable and cruel. We encourage our farmers to resist this tax with all their might.
Na kiri riboti ya NADCO ne baugite ne bakinyiritwe ni nteto ati kwibuba kwenda riboti eje yothaudhwa na kuria rais atigerere riboti eje ne gukinyanira.
We have also been informed of forces within KK, in and outside of Parliament, who are determined to undermine the report and the bills. We notify those forces that should any efforts to undermine or tamper with the report succeed, there will be very heavy price to pay. In this regard, we call on Honorable William Ruto to rein on the speakers of the 2 houses of Parliament and a number of members of the National Executive who are hell-bent on derailing the NADCO report and the bills. Those leaders have clearly demonstrated a determination to delay, and even kill the NADCO report, which is a negotiated document that pulled the country out of hostilities to the peace that obtains today.
Nibongerete Azimio igeta nambere kugwata mbaru Raila Odinga kiriwe Gucua giti kia AU.
We very much appreciate the support of our neighbors and those across the continent who have extended their support to Right Honorable Raila Odinga. We are also encouraged by the personal efforts made by our party leader to win the seat without relying entirely on the endorsement by the state.
I'll be going to many other African countries and just watch this space. I need to talk to many leaders across the continent. Because you know that a candidate to be successful must get two-thirds physically, first round or second round. If you don't get 2/3, then you're not elected. So I have to dialogue with virtually all leadership of the continent.